Okay guys, so before we get into today's video, I just wanted to come and share with you guys my TeddyBlake bag. And just to let you guys know that TeddyBlake is having an annual sale, you guys, a semi-annual sale, and they are giving discounts up to 75% off, you guys. So I would definitely check them out. I just wanted to show you guys how well my bag has held up. You guys already know that I had this bag for a couple of months now, so I just wanted to show you guys how the inside held up as well as the outside. But as you guys can see, this is the outside, so it's definitely doing really good. I have no damage to this purse. The girl is taking care of this bag, period. Okay, so let's just look on the inside. I have my tablet. You guys can see my inside is still neat and clean. My phone, my wallet, my headphones. You guys, let me take all this stuff out so I can really show you guys, you know, in more depth. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I don't have any type of damage to the inside as well as the outside. The suede and on the inside, the stitching, the lining of the purse, everything is still intact, y'all. I love this purse so much. I just wanted to come and share with you guys, and just to let you guys know that they are having a semi-annual sale, so definitely be sure to check them out. And I will definitely leave all of TeddyBlake's information in my description box below, so you guys can be sure to check them out. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, welcome. If you guys are returning, thanks so much. In today's video, you guys, we are going to be cooking dinner for my family of 9. So what's on today's meal is fried chicken, Alfredo pasta, and corn, you guys. With the fried chicken, I'm making some Alfredo pasta. So I already poured one pack in. I'm just pouring the second pack in, and I actually used 3 of these, but I just wanted to show you guys what I'm making along with the fried chicken. Along with the Alfredo pasta, we're going to be having some Mexican corn, you guys. If you have not tried this, y'all, definitely try this. I guarantee your family will enjoy this as well. So I'm making 6 cans for my family of 9, so that's what I'm about to put into this pot, y'all. So
I met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes.
I put 1 teaspoon of butter. I'm about to put some sugar as well, y'all. Got to put the sugar in the corn. Comment below if you like your corn extra sweet. Yes, Alfredo pasta, y'all. I had to put some more noodles in here. The 3 packs just didn't look like enough for my family. So
I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go. Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you. I know that you're feeling it too. Close your eyes, stay the night. Hold me, darling.
okay guys, so that is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to share with your family and friends, because sharing is caring. I love you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.